Summer is a time for outdoor adventures. We soak up the warm sunshine, enjoy picnics in the park, and swimming and hiking our favorite activities. But sometimes we forget our sunscreen. Even with sunscreen, we can get caught out in the sun too long. The result? A painful sunburn. Sunburns are no fun. They can spoil your summer fun and are also damaging to your skin. But don't despair. There's a natural way to soothe your sunburned skin. You can make a DIY Sunburn Relief Spray. This spray is easy to make, very cost-effective, uses simple ingredients, and best of all, it provides relief from the burning and itching. Say goodbye to commercial sunburn remedies. They are often full of chemicals. This natural spray is gentle and effective. It is made with 4 key ingredients that work together to soothe and heal your skin. The ingredients are aloe vera, peppermint essential oil, lavender essential oil, and vitamin E. You'll find relief from the discomfort of sunburn, and your skin will be left feeling refreshed, moisturized, and ready to heal. In the following sections, we'll explore each ingredient and learn about their unique benefits for soothing sunburns. You'll see why this DIY spray is a must-have for your summer first aid kit. Get ready to enjoy your summer safely and comfortably. This DIY Sunburn Relief Spray is easy to make and combines the power of natural ingredients. These ingredients have been used for centuries to heal and soothe the skin. They work together to provide relief from the discomfort of sunburn. Aloe vera is the star ingredient, known for its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties. It soothes the skin and reduces redness. Peppermint essential oil provides a refreshing, cooling sensation and also helps to relieve pain and itching. Lavender essential oil is another powerful ingredient, known for its calming and healing properties. It can help reduce inflammation and promote skin cell regeneration. Finally, vitamin E oil is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from further damage. It also helps to moisturize and heal the skin. Preparation: 1/2 cup of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, 30 drops of peppermint essential oil, 30 drops of lavender. Essential oil directions: mix all the ingredients together in a 4-ounce spray bottle. Shake each time you use. That's it. It's pretty simple but really effective. If you find yourself with a sunburn, this recipe will be your best friend. When combined, these ingredients create a powerful spray that can provide immediate relief from sunburn discomfort and also help promote healing and prevent further damage. This spray is a must-have for anyone who spends time outdoors. Keep it on hand to soothe sunburns quickly. Let's talk more about the benefits of each ingredient. Aloe vera is a succulent plant that has been prized for centuries for its medicinal properties. It is a must-have for any sunburn relief remedy. The gel inside its leaves contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help soothe and heal sunburned skin. Aloe vera's magic lies in its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties. It feels incredibly soothing on sunburned skin, helps reduce redness and inflammation, and this reduces the sting and itch associated with sunburn. Beyond its immediate soothing effects, aloe vera also aids in skin healing. It promotes cell regeneration, which helps repair damaged skin cells caused by sunburn. Aloe vera also moisturizes the skin, preventing peeling and dryness, common after effects of sunburn. Whether you use fresh aloe vera gel or a pure aloe vera gel product, this ingredient is a must-have. It is a key ingredient in our DIY Sunburn Relief Spray and will provide much-needed relief for your sun-kissed skin. Peppermint oil, your skin's best friend. Peppermint oil is more than just a breath freshener. It offers incredible benefits for the skin, especially when soothing sunburns. Its cooling sensation on the skin is truly refreshing. This cooling effect comes from menthol, a natural compound found in peppermint oil. Peppermint oil's benefits go beyond its cooling touch. It possesses analgesic properties. These properties help alleviate pain and discomfort associated with sunburn. It also helps reduce itching, providing much-needed relief from the urge to scratch. Furthermore, peppermint oil has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps calm down the inflammation caused by sunburn. This reduces redness and swelling, promoting faster healing. A few drops of peppermint oil in your DIY Sunburn Relief Spray will amplify its soothing and cooling effects. Your skin will thank you for the refreshing relief it provides. Lavender Essential Oil, a calming presence. Lavender essential oil is famous for its calming aroma. It also offers incredible benefits for the skin. It is a powerful ingredient in our DIY Sunburn Relief Spray. It helps soothe and heal sunburned skin. Lavender essential oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce redness and swelling caused by sunburn. It can also help to soothe the pain and discomfort associated with sunburn. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, lavender essential oil is also a natural antiseptic. It can help to prevent infection. This is especially important for sunburned skin, which is more susceptible to infection. Finally, lavender essential oil is known for its ability to promote relaxation. The scent of lavender essential oil can help to calm the mind and body. This can be especially helpful if you are feeling stressed or anxious after getting a sunburn. Lastly, vitamin E, the protector and healer. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant. It is essential for skin health. It is also a key ingredient in our DIY Sunburn Relief Spray. It protects and heals sunburned skin. Vitamin E is known for its ability to neutralize free radicals. Free radicals are damaging molecules. They are caused by exposure to UV radiation from the sun. They can damage skin cells. This damage can lead to premature aging and skin cancer. Vitamin E helps to protect the skin from this damage. In addition to its antioxidant properties, vitamin E is also a powerful moisturizer. It helps keep the skin hydrated. This is important for all skin types, but it is especially important for sunburned skin. Sunburn can dry out the skin, leading to peeling and flaking. Vitamin E can help to prevent these problems. Finally, vitamin E is also known to promote wound healing. It can help to speed up the healing process for sunburned skin and can also help reduce the appearance of scars. With summer comes the joy of sun and water, but also the risk of sunburn. This DIY Sunburn Relief Spray is a lifesaver, combining the healing properties of aloe vera, the cooling effect of peppermint essential oil, the regenerative benefits of lavender essential oil, and the nourishment of vitamin E. It's easy to make, cost-effective, and incredibly soothing for your sunburned skin. So enjoy the summer sun without fear, knowing you have the perfect remedy at hand for any sunburn mishaps. Stay safe and sunburn-free. If you have your own DIY sunburn cream or spray or remedy, we will like to hear from you in the comment section. Please subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell for more DIY skincare tips. Thank you for watching.